Let me tell you a bit more about the REECorner on my left here and some of the by-wire technologies we've got within it. The corner itself is a sub-assembly of drive, steering and braking systems. This is covered by over 100 different REE patents for the steering, the brakes, the suspension systems, the chassis elements and also the controls and software. This corner can be very modular. It sits on our platform. Each corner is identical, and that then gives you a number of different benefits in terms of modularity, flexibility of platform, and I'll also talk later about the performance improvements that also gives you. When it comes to the development of our REECorner, we've spent a lot of time developing a strategy that allows us to optimize the scalability and reuse of components. This allows our corners to cover vehicles from Class 1 through to Class 6. Within the corner itself, we have an inboard and outboard section. Let me just focus on the inboard section, which contains all the drive-by-wire systems. First of all, we have the central EDU. This contains the electric motor, the transmission, and the inverter, and drives the wheels. We also have a 48-volt steering actuator, which is steering the wheels, and underneath that, we have the braking actuator for brake control. All of these systems are controlled via the REE ECU. This corner unit is controlling all the by-wire systems and utilizes AUTOSAR and functional safety applications. So we're covering ISO 26262 and is fully safe for all applications. If we move to look at the components that are outboard of our subframe, we have a suspension system, we have springs and dampers, foundation brakes, and a park brake. These are standard industry components that are easily customizable, and we can bespoke these for different customer applications. As we walk into our prototype workshop, you can see one of our P7 REEcorners integrated into the platform. This is our fully flat REE platform that takes 4 identical corners. Controlling this, we also have a REECenter. That's our central ECU, which is the brains of our system. It controls all the 4 corners, their functionality, redundancy. In terms of vehicle applications, we look at the REE technology. It delivers a number of key benefits, particularly when we compare it to existing ICE or EV products that are on the market at the moment. We go back at looking at how you apply the REE technology to the architecture. It gives you a lot of other benefits. It can look at different driver positions, different cab positions. It gives you a much stronger volumetric efficiency for the overall vehicle and a low step-in height of the flat platform. It also allows you to look at future applications such as autonomy. When we go to the by-wire systems, we've got the steer, the brake, and the drive-by-wire, which brings in a level of safety and performance that we believe is much stronger than existing products. The maneuverability is very impressive. And when we've shown this to customers in the UK, they've really commented that the vehicle itself performs very much like a small passenger car, but it has that durability and reliability of a commercial vehicle.